In the last video we set up our incredibly basic website, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our contact us page, and we're just going to add in a few different kind of elements such as buttons, text boxes, so the input element in particular. To start setting up this page, maybe we should just tidy up this a little bit here and put in a div. Again, you can do your own thing here. Now this is only just me off the cuff, putting in a few different bits. I'm going to put in a center tag, and in here I'm going to put in my contact us, and I'm going to put in a paragraph here as well, and just put in fill in your details below to inquire about anything, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Yep, so just to make sure now here, I put in a couple of break tags as well, so we're moving on to the next section. And just let's run that, so it'll go to its normal index page. And let's go to contact us, and so we have now just contact us, fill in your details below to inquire about anything. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So time to start setting up our form in the next videos.